In this video, we will be covering the topic on plant transport system for Primary 3. This is what we will be learning today, the function of the stem in a plant. This video is made with reference to My Pals Are Here Science Test Extra, Primary 3 and 4. This question is extracted from My Pals Are Here Science Test Extra, Primary 3 and 4. Let's take some time to read this question. Firstly, we need to highlight the keywords in the question. We have to find two changes to be made to achieve the aim of the experiment and state the reason for each change. Next, we need to identify the aim of the experiment, which is to show that water travels up the stem of a plant to the flower. Now, let's observe the setup. You'll find that the red flower may not be suitable, therefore, we should replace it with a white flower, such that the change in the color of the flower will be visible. Let's look for the next change. As you know, tap water may not be visible after being transported to the flower. So what should we do? Add dye to the tap water. In this way, it will be easy to observe if the colored water has been transported to the flower. Now, let's proceed to look at an experiment to find out if plants transport water through their stems. To do this experiment, you will need white flowers, food coloring, container, water, and scissors. So first step, you fill the container with water and you add food coloring. So you can add more food coloring for faster results. Next, you use scissors to cut the end of the stem diagonally. And then you place the cut flower into the container. And of course, you go on to observe any changes in the flowers every 6 hours. So 12 hours later, this was the result I got. The white flowers have become red. So the red coloring can actually be seen from the flowers. So to conclude, plants transport water from the stem to the other parts of the plant. Through the question and the experiment, this is what we have learned. Plants transport water from the stem to the other parts of the plant. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you.